Show me.
Babe, just a little bit.
Come here now.
Is she buckled in there?
She's buckled.
Sure.
Yeah,
Baby, little bit. That's too much.
Look.
Her first eating experience.
First bite. How'd you like that?
Baby, it's small enough. That's too much, babe.
Baby.
Babe, it's too much. Babe, I wish you would give her a little bit less than that.
I'm coming.
She seems to take to it pretty well. I knew she wasn't going to have a problem with it.
You want some more? This is better than your bed, isn't it?
You have to let her explore it herself.
You knock it all off the spoon, babe.
You like that? Yeah?
You ain't even getting none of it.
Well, you think you really like it, though.
Can I have the spoon back? Let me have the spoon back.
Baby.
Come here.
She's not that interested, huh? How you like it, babe? What do you think? Can't see her. She likes the bed more than anything. Babe, do me a favor and put a little bit on her. Hold on.
Yeah.
Put a little bit here and let her see it. See what she does with it.
Yeah, me.
Look. Look. What's this? What is that? What's this right here? What's this? She's like, what? Nothing there. Oh, you just want your bib? Amber, get down, Amber. She doesn't really know what it is yet.
It must not taste very good, or she would be looking for it.
No, it's just that it's new. It's different. They don't know what to make of it at first, so she's like kind of ignoring it. She's like, this isn't boob.
No, but don't you put your hand on it and never make it to your mouth.
Babe, get her out.
She likes it when she finally gets to her mouth. Why are you not being control freak? Let me do it.
Aww.
Come here.
What is it? What is that?
She likes it.
Yeah, this child likes anything that goes in her mouth. You know what? Take that spoon away from her. Here. I got their spoon here.
How you like it, Naomi?
For God's sake. Easy, babe. Easy.
Here, you try it. With that spoon.
No. That's just for her flavor.
Oh, that's the decoy spoon?
What do you think?
Nope,
She's hungry.
That's the end of that experiment.
She did good though. Oh. Okay. You want food now?
Say bye-bye.